Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can share your files from your OneDrive. All you have to do is first of all just open up your OneDrive and log into your OneDrive account like I already did. Here, after logging into your account, you'll be on the home page of OneDrive. From here, if you scroll down and under the My Files section, you can see all of your pictures, your documents, and even your personal vault, as well as all of the items that you have uploaded and kept in your OneDrive. Now, simply to share them, all you have to do is click on this arrow option. If you click on it, you can see that it will show you to this kind of screen where now you are able to share this with any other website or any other fans as well. All you have to do is wait for it to load up, and after as it loads up, you can see that you can send the link to whoever you want. Like, just input their name, the group of their OneDrive, or you can simply input their email address and directly send it as well. Or if you want to copy the link as well, simply click on copy link and you can simply paste it on their chats and messages as well, from where they will be able to open up and see your shared link. And that is how you can share your files on OneDrive. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.